Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sam Jackson, the golfing chef, and today we have my little baby girl, Billy, to join us. She won't be in much of the video, but I just thought I'd give her an introduce. She's wide awake. You saying, are you? You're not smiling? Eh? Right. Today guys, I'm going to make a sticky toffee pudding for the tattoo golfer, Owen. Go and check his channel out, superb content, and he's a nice lad as well. Right guys, so here I have some pitted dates. You want a little bit of water in. You're going to stick them on the hob on high heat, and it's going to go soft, and then you want to blitz it into like a puree. And you want 250 grams of them. So I'm going to stick them on the hob. So while they're going, next, what you want is 5 eggs. You want the soft brown sugar, 50 grams. Go in with your eggs. What you want to do is whisk these up. Once that's whisked, you want 175 grams of melted unsalted butter going in. And once that's all whisked in, you want 5 grams of bicarbonate of soda. You want 13 grams of baking powder. Stick them in. Give that a bit of a whisk. And once that's done, you want 650 grams of plain white flour. We'll get all that in. What you want to do is probably get your hands in, once whisked it all. Get your hands in. As you can tell, it's very sticky already. That's what we want. Right guys, well I've just been doing that. I just checked on the dates and they're ready. They're nice and soft. They soaked up the water. Get the liquid. And then what you want is a spoon, get all them out. And mix that in with your cake mix. And what you want to do while you're waiting, in fact, when you start doing all this, get your oven on 170, ready, preheated. And what you're going to do, you want to bang this in for 50 minutes on 170. Get your tray, and I put some butter at the bottom, and then put your greaseproof paper in. And then what you want, is get your nice cake mix. You spread it along your tray so it's nice and even. Will be better because obviously it's sticky. If you've got a spatula or something, use that to try and strain it out a little bit. But it will be hard because obviously it's sticky toffee pudding. So bang that in the oven for 50 minutes on 170, preheated. In the middle of the oven. We'll see that in 50 minutes. Next, what I've got here is 250 millilitres of cream. I've got 250 of soft brown light sugar. I've got 100 grams of soft brown sugar, and then for this I have got 200 grams of salted butter, so to keep your sauce, we'll add some salt into it so it'll be like a salty caramel sauce. So then what you want to do with this one is, you want to get a nice thick pan. So then what you want to do is put all your ingredients into one. So that's your cream, don't want any wastage, get all that cream in there. Obviously again, make sure your hands are nice and clean when you're doing this. You want your soft brown sugar, your dark sugar and your butter without the boil pot. Got all the ingredients on here, guys. Now what you want to do is just give it a nice mixing with your whisk, and that go into a nice sauce. Now don't worry about it, you see 6 little bits of butter, because it was obviously melted anyway once the sauce gets a bit hotter. And what you want to do with that now is make sure you keep stirring it every so often. So I'll stop now, I'll stop the video, I'll keep an eye on that, keep an eye on the sticky toffee in the oven, and I'll get back to you in a few minutes and you can see the end product. Hopefully it all goes well. See you in a few minutes. Right guys, quickly before I check my cake or my sticky toffee, the sauce, what I forgot to say as well, you'll know when it's done when the bubbles start rising. That's when it's done. Take it off, give it a stir and set it to one side. Now I'm just going to pull my sticky toffee out of the oven. Just turn that off. Looking alright. Don't look too bad. So what you do now is get a knife, centre of the cake, put it out. If it's clean, it's done. So what you do then is just set it to one side, let it cool down, take it out of the tray, and then portion it up. Ready? Be ready. Add some custard or some ice cream, and that's about it. Owen, I hope you liked the video, pal. Go shout out. I just want to say, go and check out Owen who asked for me to do this sticky toffee pudding. It's a tattoo golfer. He has some really good content. He's a cracking lad, and he has some really good stuff. Cheers. So there's just a couple of shout outs I'm going to do before I finish. First of all, I just want to congratulate my sister Kyra on doing well in her GCSEs, and good luck in college on the course you're doing. I hope you enjoy it and you're going to do absolutely awesome. I just want to thank everyone who has congratulated me and my partner Ashley on our newborn baby, Billy. If you like what you see, don't forget, give us that thumbs up. Leave a comment below what you thought, or if you've got any tips, or if you want me to do anything different. And that's about it, I think. Yeah, so I'll see you next time. See you for now.